So obviously Neo's very interested in my new fish tank. This new fish tank is actually old. It's I think it's oak or teak. It's got brass fittings on it, which I did clean up actually and want to be cleaned again. It's been cleaned several times now with the old Brasso. It's copper, it's lined, and it's the old style with the antique style base legs on it. What I like about it is it's got this roll top set up here. Look at that, like a bureau. And this has been set up a long time ago. Beautiful glass made cabinet, all beautifully glass cut. But it just wanted some TLC. A friend of mine gave me this. It was actually in their garden. Obviously the previous owner of their house had been keen on keeping an aquarium. My friend had no interest in it, which is fair enough, and very kindly gave it to me. So I've rubbed it down, varnished it, stained it, and this is the big test now, filling it with water, making sure it's watertight. I've remasticed everything, so it's all got silicone on it to reinforce the joints, but you never know until you get the water in there. A gallon of water weighs 10 pounds, and this is a 75 gallon tank, so you can imagine the weight of water and the demand there is on this tank. But look at this, look at the inscription here. Sure, that means something. I don't know what it means. I'm actually going to clean this up again. This is probably the third time I've cleaned up these copper brass finishings, embellishments. But there's some beautiful fish that I've got to go in here, and I can't wait to get this set up and running. I've got the filter for it, I've got the air pump for it. Just want to do this water test first of all, and when I know that this water test is okay, I'll be safe to put the fish in. So watch this space.